Nowadays, we can see there are lots of AI tool, which is artificial intelligence based tools are available in market. But what if we can use these type of AI tool for generating our RPA code or for generating any type of code which is required inside development. So we'll show you some of the examples on UiPath, even automation and or several other programming language by using one of the important AI-based tool that is called as ChatGPT. ChatGPT is AI-based tool where we can write any type of coding, even we can write emails, or if we want to write any blogs, we can write it down by using this type of tool. Without wasting tons of time, we can create any type of blogs, documentations, as well as any particular code we can generate it within a fraction of second. So how we can use ChatGPT, I will explain you here. So if we want to just write down email to our manager for leave or maybe for sharing some wonderful informations regarding our team updates, then probably we have to just email for team updates. So we have to just write this title and just hit enter. Probably this AI-based tool or ChatGPT will write email for us. And here we can see detailed format which is writing. So subject line, make it easy. It is suggesting the suggestions. What if I want to just write email for resignation from our current role? Just hit enter. And here we can see the exactly suggestions. If I want to just write Excel automation using UiPath. Now, because this is an AI-based tool, it will help us to write the automation flow stepwise. Here, opening and closing workflows, reading, writing data to cells. So these are the options which we can use it Excel automation using UiPath. Now here, you can see open and create a new project. Use the Excel activities in the UiPath activities library to perform action in Excel. And you can see all the steps are written exactly how we are doing inside our UiPath tool. Now, if I want to just generate a barcode using Python, that also we can do it. So here, generate a barcode code in Python. Now, this will create code for us. Now you can see pip install barcode, and from barcode.writer we can import image writer. It is showing exactly stepwise manner. Even we can create a blog by copying and pasting this data, which is very helpful. We are saving tons of time while writing, right? So here we can see every step is written in a proper format. Even the person who are not aware of it, by using this tool, they will start coding. So here we'll just write code for, maybe I will write it down, Python code for navigation or sending email. Now here we are using SMTP library. Without using this library, we won't be able to send an email. So that's how it is suggesting which all options we can use it. Now this ChatGPT is creating code for us. So which is very helpful when we are generating a proper format of coding. And even this code is not only just writing a code, it is helping to us to understand how and why we are using any of the library or any of the keywords. So that's the power of AI, which is helping us to write anything and within fraction of seconds. This will not take much time of us to create a blog or even to generate a code. That's the power of AI. If you like the content, don't forget to share within your circle. This might help others to generate this type of programming or to generate a blog. Thank you for watching.